Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem playing with toys, and it was asked in Codechef contest starter 217. So let's read out the problem. Chef has got n toys for his birthday. Every day if he has at least one if he has at least one toy with him, he plays with one specific toy for that day. Unfortunately, Chef is very careless and he will inevitably break that toy by the end of the day. When he breaks it, he does not play with a new toy but just waits for the next day. So it's like in each day he uses only one toy if it is there. If it is not there, then he will not use it. So this is the sentence where it is saying if he has at least one toy. Okay. So after m days, how many toys will Chef be left with? Yeah, let's see the input. We have two integers n and m, which basically denotes you know n denotes number of toys and m denotes days. So we have two examples where in first example we have 1 2 and then 5 3. Let's go to the board. Chair is broke. So yeah, n is 1, this is first example, and m is 2. In the second example we have 5 comma 3. So in the question what they have said is Chef has n toys. So Chef has one toy and in each day Chef what he's going to do is he picks one toy if he has. Okay, if he does not have, then he'll not pick it. If he has, then he'll pick that toy and he'll play with that, and he'll while playing he'll break that toy because he's careless. So he'll break the toy. Once he break the toy, he will not use other toy on the same day. So a different toy again will be chosen on the other day, right? So after m days, so how many toys will he have? They're asking a good toys, not the the broken ones. So let's see what they're saying. We have like Chef has one toy, and then after 2 days, what he'll be doing? They're asking. So let's consider this is day one. Okay. So since he have one toy, so Chef will pick that toy and he'll play with that and he'll break it. So once you break that toy, your the number of toys it was one. So once he plays and breaks it, he will have no more toys. Okay. Now this is done. Now let's go to day two. When he moves to day two, he sees like he don't have any toys to play with, so he'll not play. So at the end of the day two, so how many toys will he how many toys will he have? So he does not have any toys because n is 0, right? So in this case our answer is 0. Okay, here it is 0. Let's try to understand this one. 5 3. So n is 5, number of days are 3. So what they're asking is okay, Chef has 5 toys initially. Okay, and then we have 3 days. Let me put it this way. On day 1, this is, let me call day 1, this is day 2, and this is day 3. On day 1 he has 5 toys, so he'll play with one toy. Okay, and he'll be remaining with 4 toys. On day 2, let's say play with second toy and he'll break it. Okay, once he takes and play it, he'll have 3 toys. So now he have 3 toys, he'll pick one toy. So for the next day he has 2 toys. The third toy he'll break it. So uh, at the after 3 days, basically m days, how many toys he have? He have 2 toys remaining left. So answer is 2. So how do you solve this mathematically? If you can easily see, um, if the number of toys are more than the number of days, then in that case he will have some toy, and that toy is given by n minus n, because each day he'll be using one toy. So he will break that. But if number of toys are more than n, sorry, n is more than m. So in that case answer will be n minus m, else answer is 0, because why 0? Because even if let's say uh, he had 3 toys and he had to play for 3 days. So he had 3 toys, he took first toy and then now he is left with 2 toys. He took second toy, now he left with 1 toy. He took the last toy and then he has no toys left. So it is 0. So even if n is equals to m, in that case answer is 0. What if n is less than m? Let's say 2. So initially he has only 2. Here he will be having only 1. Here he will be having 0. So he will not play with the toy. So at the end of the third day again he will have 0 only. So whenever n is less than m, so answer is 0. If it is greater than m, so it is n minus m is the answer. So yeah, let's try to solve this. Playing with twice, okay. Let's see the input. We have n and m. So let us comment these test cases, because we don't have test case. It's like we have single input. So we are calling a function solve in which we have n and m. Let's take their values. Now we'll have to check if number of days is greater than m. So in that case, as you know, our answer is let's take one variable answer. Okay. So initially, let's say initially answer is 0 only. If n is greater than m, which means number of days is greater than, so number of toys are greater than number of days. So in that case, n minus m is the answer. When we come out of the if condition, we'll have to display the answer. Let's try to run it. It is getting passed. Let's try to run the second test case. It is also passed. Let's try to copy paste this in online editor. Let's try to submit it. I don't know why it is very slow. Yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you got to easily solve the problem. Basically we have to find out n minus m value if n is greater than m. So yeah, I think you guys understood. So thank you guys for watching the video.